Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're getting rhythmic. We'll explore two ways to add beats to your videos, making your edits dynamic and engaging. So let's get started. So, method 1, that is auto beat. At first, open the Capcut app and start with your existing project or create a new project by importing your photos or videos. Now, add your music track by tapping on Audio, Sounds, and select the sound according to your preference. Now, with the music clip selected on the timeline, tap on the flag icon. Now by clicking on Auto Generate, Capcut will analyze your music and automatically place beat markers on the timeline wherever it detects a strong beat. This gives you a great starting point for editing. And after waiting for some time, you'll see beats have been added automatically. Now the second method is manual beat marking. Maybe you prefer to add beats yourself or the auto beat markers aren't quite what you wanted. No problem. With your music clip selected, tap on the flag icon to manually mark the beats. Now listen to the music and add beat wherever you feel like. As you can see, I've created one beat here, and similarly you can listen to the music and create as many beats as you want. Now comes the fun part. Once you have your beat markers, use them to guide your editing. For example, you can cut your video clips, add transitions, include text overlays with the help of the beat markers. And there you have it. With these two methods for adding beats, you can take your Capcut editing to the next level. So unleash your creativity and have fun creating dynamic and engaging videos. Leave a comment below showing off your beat-tastic edits and hit subscribe for more Capcut tutorials. Thank you.